We're here.
The Sierras?
The Sierras.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. So, we're about mile 710. We're leaving the desert and we're starting to get our way to the Sierras. And I'll tell you what, it sure doesn't feel like we're out of the desert. It is hot. It is very, very hot. But the one thing that I know that is not very desert-like, we got this river just rushing through here on this awesome little bridge. Now I'm about to take you across. Let's go to this little bridge here. Walk across it. This is very undeserty. Is that a word? Very not desert-like. Chad's recording. But maybe it doesn't look like the desert anymore. It's still hot, but we're climbing. That right here, that's not desert. This is the Sierras.
Where is it?
The Sierras.
We're here?
We're here.
The Sierras?
The Sierras.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Break time is over. And it's the moment everyone dreads. Putting the packs back on. Yeesh. Made it over a first big hill out of Kindy Meadows and greeted with this. So I guess it's official. We're out of the desert into the Sierras. Oh yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Definitely not the desert anymore. We got a meadow all the way back here. It's Snowy Mountains. This is what I call nice. Are they bald eagles?
I think so.
They're like trying to fly into the wind but going nowhere. I hope they come this way. Look right above you. Look up. That's not a bald. Oh, that's a falcon or something. What is that thing? It's diving. We're getting closer. We're getting closer to our campsite. And it does not look like the desert anymore. Sleeping down there somewhere on grass for the first time in 700 plus miles. We're gonna have a tent spot, grass. That's nice. So, I know I said that we would sleeping on grass tonight. And if you look, there's actually grass right over there that we could have slept on. But, how can we pass this up? Look at this. Boop, boop, boop. And a little fire pit over there. Can't pass this up. Now that's nice.